I would
Oh no, what the hell is that walking there?
What? Oh my god.
Oh no, is that a Rastafarian?
He needs a bath.
Ew, no.
He needs a bath.
He's scratching and needs... Let's find out what the young guy wants. Let's tease him with money.
Bloody hell, yes, let's do that.
Let's take this money out of our wallet.
Out of that.
Eh. He comes, he's coming.
All right. All right.
Oh my goodness.
I can't do it.
All right,
I can't.
let's do it again. All right.
hell.
All right.
Bloody hell.
Ah, here you go.
My heart. My heart, my weak heart. I can. That what? I want to fight him! Nothing, bro!
He's my rascal, buddy! You're mad! You're mad!